In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Facebook feed to see fresh and relevant posts again. First, open the Facebook app. Swipe down on the home page to refresh your feed. But this is only a basic refresh. To fully reset your feed, go to your profile page. Tap the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Scroll down and open Content Preferences. Tap Political Content. Here you can choose whether to increase or reduce political posts in your feed. Go back and tap Sensitive Content. Select Show Less, then save your choice. Go back and tap Favorites. Add or remove people and pages you want to see more often. Next, tap Snooze. This lets you temporarily hide posts from certain people or pages. Then tap Unfollow. Here you can unfollow accounts so their posts stop appearing in your feed. Finally, tap Reconnect. This section allows you to follow people again that you previously unfollowed. After adjusting these settings, Facebook will start rebuilding your feed with fresh and relevant content. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.